Hello dear students, I Professor Basuraj Kuluche welcome you all for today's lecture of business communication. In previous class, we have discussed the concept of job application. Then while preparing CV, what all points we need to consider or think, all those points have been discussed. And then we have also discussed about the interview letter, how interview letter is prepared, what things need to be included in the interview letter, and along with that, how we should prepare a interview letter. Today we shall see the things which should be included in an appointment order. First, we need to understand what is appointment order. When the candidate successfully completes the interview and he is been selected in that interview for the specific job, at that point of time a appointment order is issued. Here appointment order stating that to report to their duty if they agree certain terms and conditions which are mentioned in the appointment letter. After successfully completing the interview, an appointment order is issued in which the date of joining would be given and the terms and conditions for that joining. If the candidate agrees with those terms and conditions and is willing to attend or join the job, he need to join there. So, while issuing an appointment order, certain things we need to remember. Let us see what all things we need to remember. First thing is, we need to congratulate the candidate for being selected in the interview. Here, the candidate need to be congratulated and say communicated that he is being selected or being shortlisted in the interview. After congratulating that candidate, we need to refer to the application, which post, date of application, and certain things reference we need to give to the regarding the application what the candidate had made. Here, after that reference, we need to mention the package or the other allowances related to the application or related to that specific post. So here all those references we need to mention, and after that the pay package we need to mention. How much would be the pay package, how much allowances we are providing, the salary details, and most important thing is the allowances, city allowances, or say whatsoever allowances which are included, that is consolidated salary, and after deducting what he would be getting, all those details we need to mention in the appointment order. And after that, specifically we need to state the date by which the candidate is supposed to report to the duty, the date of joining, or the date on which the candidate is supposed to report to job or report to the duty. So that is the joining date we need to mention in the appointment order clearly, the reporting date and reporting time, and also the reporting venue, which head office or HR office, whatsoever the office he or she need to report, should be mentioned properly in the appointment order. Then we need to express the hope that the appointee will have pleasant stay in the organization. We need to say, hopefully tell them that hope you accept these terms and conditions and will join the duty as early as possible or on the date and time given. So these are the things we need to mention in the appointment order. In simple, these things if we cover, our appointment letter would be complete and successful. Then the next thing what we need to understand or know is interview. Here, interview is the most important step in the selection process of the employment. So, interview plays very important role in job related communications. Here, what do we mean by interview? It is a formal meeting and a two-way communication in which a person or group of person questions and evaluate the other person. Here, it is a formal meeting wherein a two-way communication would be there, wherein a single person or a panel of the interviewers will ask question to the candidate and the candidate will answer those questions, and based on that the candidate will be evaluated or a candidate will be judged. So the person who attends the interview is called interviewer and the person who gives the interview is known as interviewee. The person who is taking the interview is known as interviewer and the person who is giving interview is known as interviewee. So let us see some of the definitions of interview. Here the first definition given by Scott. Scott defines interview as an interview is a purposeful exchange of ideas, answering the questions and communication between two or more persons. What Scott is defining in this definition is, it is a purposefully they are meeting and exchanging the ideas or answering the questions and communication between two or more persons. Here two or more persons means the interviewee will be one and the interviewer will be say two or more people. So as per this definition there will be a communication in between these two or these people. That's why it is known as a purposeful exchange of ideas, answers and the questions and communication between two or more persons. So this is one of the definition of interview. And second definition given by Brigham, he defines as an interview is a conversation with a purpose, and the purpose may be to get the information or to make a friend. Here an interview is a conversation with a specific purpose. Here in interview we are coming together or meeting with a specific reason or with a specific purpose, and for that purpose we are meeting each other, and the purpose may be either to get information or to judge the candidate or to know the candidate or understand the attitude, psychology, knowledge and behavior of the candidate. And also some interviews would be to make a friend. But here for a job we are judging or we are trying to find out information through the interview, and in this interview we are trying to find out the knowledge, attitude, psychology and situation handling skill of a candidate through interview. So this is what about the definition and meaning of interview. In next class, we shall see the types of interviews. Till then, we shall stop here. If you have any questions, doubts, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.